Why is the A-10 Thunderbolt II fighter still in use by the United States military, even though this aircraft has been in operation since the 1970s? This aircraft is still used today because there is no fighter aircraft that can replace its role in air protection and support for troops on the ground from enemy tanks or armored fighting vehicles. This aircraft is very stable when flying low and can fly at altitudes very close to the surface, namely between 100 to 500 feet or 30 to 150 meters, so it is effective for carrying out ground attacks. The A-10 Thunderbolt II aircraft is equipped with a very large and powerful main weapon, namely the GAU-8 Avenger autocannon or heavy rotary cannon with 7 rotating barrels of the Gatling type with 1,200 rounds of 30mm caliber, which are specifically designed for the anti-tank role. This cannon is capable of firing an average of up to 3,900 rounds per minute with a bullet speed of 1,067 meters per second and a range of 1,220 meters. Several parts of the aircraft's hull are covered in steel with a total weight of more than 540 kilograms. These parts are designed to continue functioning as long as possible. With this armor protection, it is hoped that the plane can continue to fly even if it has suffered serious damage. It is not surprising that until now, the U.S. Air Force still operates the A-10 Thunderbolt II. Even this aircraft that is considered old can also use laser-guided bombs that are generally used by modern fighter aircraft. Apart from that, the hourly operational costs for an A-10 Thunderbolt II aircraft are very cheap, around 4 to 5 times cheaper than an F-35 class fighter jet.